Lordship, offence registered under section 395 of the IPC against one person and 7 unknown persons, Your Lordship. Allegation is that the informant is a driver of a pickup van related to one Kaushal Kishore Prasad, and on the day of occurrence, informant loaded some grocery articles from the Gaurav Enterprises situated at Gandhi Chowk of the Kamtol and went to deliver.
Those details are not important. Tell us the ingredients of 395 for which you are being prosecuted.
Lordship.
What happened, what did not happen, we'll see it later. Let us see what constitutes the offence in this case.
Lordship. The allegation is that the 7,74,000 cash money was given to the informant after unloaded the articles at the Govind Enterprises.
What happened? This part of the story does not constitute any offence. What
Lordship.
happened thereafter you need
Lordship.
to tell us.
Nothing was recovered from no such.
हुआ क्या? Recover क्या करना है? उसको लूट लिया गया. Was he waylaid?
Lordship, the name of petitioner only book in this case on the basis of the
FIR पढ़िए.
Lordship.
Offence वाला fact बोलते ही नहीं है. Nothing.
Lordship, the ingredient with
पढ़िए FIR पढ़िए.
Lordship. निवेदन है.
If you can't explain the case in one line, then we'll be required to read the FIR. पढ़िए.
Lordship. मैं सुनील कुमार मंडल, पिता सो एंड सो, ग्राम पोस्ट, थाना सचेंसर, जिला दरभंगा का निवासी हूँ. मैं वर्तमान में कमतौल निवासी स्वर्गीय कन्हैया प्रसाद के पुत्र कौशल किशोर प्रसाद के पिकअप वैन 32 इतना का चालक हूँ. शुक्रवार दिनांक 7/8/2020 को अपराह्न करीब 4 बजे कमतौल गांधी चौक स्थित गौरव इंटरप्राइजेज मालिक गौरव कुमार लीलू, पेशर स्वर्गीय ओम प्रकाश लीलू, कमतौल से किराना सामान लादकर श्री लीला द्वारा बताए गए पता मुजफ्फरपुर जिला के औराई थाना अंतर्गत राजखंड औराई स्थित गोविंद इंटरप्राइजेज पर किराना सामान उतारकर वापस लौट रहा था कि गोविंद इंटरप्राइजेज के मालिक ललन कुमार ने एक पैकेट में 7,74,000 की नगद राशि पैक कर गौरव कुमार लीलू को देने के लिए दी. इस नगद राशि के पैकेट को सावधानी पूर्वक चालक सीट के नीचे छिपाकर कमतौल के लिए चला कि रात्रि के करीब 7:45 बजे ब्रह्मपुर सोतिया चौड़ में पुलिया के 200 मीटर आगे 2 मोटरसाइकिल पर सवार 8 युवकों ने ओवरटेक कर पिकअप को घेर लिया एवं बोलने लगा कि तुम बच्चा को ठोकर मारकर भाग रहा था एवं एक युवक ने गाड़ी में घुस.
ये 395 का अकरेंस यहाँ हुआ तो इतनी कहानी की किसने बेचा क्या कहा उससे मतलब नहीं है. नाउ व्हाई आर यू बीइंग प्रोसिक्यूटेड? आपके पास से रिकवरी है कुछ स्टोलन मनी?
द मनी which was recovered from the house of the petitioner is not the money of the looted.
What is the amount recovered from your house?
72,000 rupees.
72,000. All right.
72,000.
Just a minute. And 72,000. And who named you? Deepak Bhandari.
No. Just his name book in this case on the basis of confessional statement of Deepak Bhandari.
And on what basis Deepak Bhandari was arrested?
Lordship.
On what basis Deepak Bhandari has been arrested? Because FIR is against us.
Lordship. In
Deepak
FIR.
Bhandari का नाम कैसे आया?
In FIR, the informant said that when the person incepted his vehicle, then one of the persons discloses the name of Deepak Bhandari among the concerned miscreant.
What do you do?
Lordship.
ऐसा Mr. Counsel, if you are so full of the facts of your case, perhaps you will not understand the drift of the question.
Sir, sorry, Your Lord.
There has been no question of being sorry. I am just telling you, try and be receptive to the questions by the bench.
Lordship.
You may have come prepared with the facts of your case. There is no difficulty, but the court is asking you something else. Now, all these stories would not be of any avail to you. Question is that you have not been named in the FIR.
Lordship.
You are said to be one of those 8 persons who had ransacked the pickup van, found out the packet of money kept beneath the seat of the driver, And from the talk of the people who had gathered to commit this offence, one name of Deepak Bhandari could be remembered by the informant, and on that basis Deepak Bhandari has been made accused. He names you, and therefore police goes to your house and recovers 72,000. Now tell us, what do you do in life? Who are you? 72,000 घर में आप कहाँ से रखे हुए थे? आप लेबरर हैं, बड़े आदमी हैं, बिजनेसमैन हैं,
Lordship,
क्या
I
है?
specific mention in para 12 that amount was collected by the petitioner for casting of the roof of his village, and the amount is a very small amount. 5 रुपया का नोट, 5 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees notes. Those all notes were collected from the house.
आपकी antecedent क्या है?
No antecedent.
And why Deepak Bhandari has named
Lordship,
you?
with regard
Of
to
course, only Deepak Bhandari can tell me whether
Lordship.
why has he named you. But you tell us, you want anticipatory bail. There is said to be some recovery of looted money. So you need to tell us why Deepak Bhandari has named you.
prior to this offence, the petitioner has given 50,000 rupees as a borrow amount to the Deepak Bhandari, who is the situated at the maternal uncle of the village of the petitioner, and when petitioner demanded that amount for casting of his roof, subsequently his name also.
Your explanation does not, it does not inspire confidence. The only, tell us the money which has been recovered from your house, those are small notes, small currency notes of smaller valuation. Maybe I'll take it as one of the mitigating features for your case. How do you say so? That only 10 rupee, 15 rupee, 5 rupee notes were recovered.
That is annexure 2.
Where is the
Annexure 2, may kindly see at page 17. The descriptions of the note.
page 17?
17, 17. जब समानों का विवरण
2000 का 2 नोट, 500 के 98 नोट, 200 रुपये, ठीक तो है?
अंदर नीचे थोड़ा और आया जाए ना, 100 रुपये का,
वो ठीक है, वो कुछ है.
50 रुपये का
But
33
40
नोट,
but
20
for-
रुपये का
That's all
25
right,
नोट,
but 49,000 is a 500 currency note.
500 currency is also there. But the amount that was given to the Gaurav Enterprises as a huge amount, 7,74,000 rupees in a packet to the informant is already a suspicious.
Anticipatory bail तो बड़ा मुश्किल है. You will be required to. And how did you manage to run away from the house when there was a recovery? You were not there.
No one is there. Kindly see at the time of making this seizure, not follow the provision of the 100 of the CRPC.
You need to be put on test identification parade in front of the informant.
Except it, not other witnesses supported,
No,
not
no.
only show. The informant already alleged
Heard
that
Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Jha, learned advocate for the petitioner, and so for the state. The petitioner seeks bail in anticipation of his arrest in connection with Kamtol PS case number so dated so instituted for the offence under section 395 of the Indian Penal Code. The informant, who is the driver of the pickup van, has alleged in the first information report that the money which he was carrying, namely an amount of rupees 7 lakhs, was looted away by unknown 8 young miscreants from amongst them, on the basis of the conversation between those accused persons, the informant could remember the name of one Deepak Bhandari. On this lead, Deepak Bhandari was arrested, and he has disclosed the name of the petitioner. From the house of the petitioner, rupees 72,000 has been recovered. Land Council for the petitioner has submitted that at best, the evidence against him is only in the nature of confession of an arrested accused person who had definite animus against him. In the past, the petitioner had given loan to aforesaid Deepak Bhandari, but he was not returning the same. He has been named by Deepak Bhandari in his confessional statement, because the petitioner had been demanding his money back. with respect to the recovery of 72,000 from his house, learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that at the time of recovery, there was no person available in the house, and therefore there is no endorsement on the seized list. First of all, apart from this, it has been submitted that the recovered amount has currency notes of a small valuation. First off, the petitioner has offered an explanation for the presence of such currency notes in his house. First off, the aforesaid money was withdrawn from the aforesaid money was kept for casting the roof of the house of the petitioner. First off, these explanations do not weigh with this court for granting him anticipatory bail, notwithstanding the fact that the name of the petitioner has transpired in the confession of an arrested accused person. I am not inclined to grant anticipatory bail to the petitioner. The prayer for anticipatory bail is rejected. However, if he surrenders before the court below and seeks bail, all the grounds noted above shall be taken into account, and an order shall be passed without being prejudiced with the fact that the present petition on his behalf has not been entertained.
Obliged.